Hey there, and welcome back to Nomad Sketches. Today, we are heading to one of the most beautiful spots in the world, the Shah Mosque in Isfahan, Iran. You'll be watching this unfold from above, in soft watercolor strokes. So sit back, relax, and let's enjoy this journey together. The Shah Mosque, also called the Imam Mosque, is one of those places that takes your breath away the moment you see it. It sits at the edge of a huge square in the heart of Isfahan, surrounded by history, color, and a whole lot of charm, built in the Safavid era. It's a masterpiece of Persian architecture, and honestly, it's like it was made to be painted. Even from a distance, the mosque's dome and tall minarets pull you in. But up close, it's all about the details, following calligraphy, patterns, and ties that seems to shimmer in every shade of blue. It's not just beautiful, it feels peaceful, thoughtful, almost like the whole building is part of a quiet prayer. What makes this mosque so special isn't just how it looks, it's how it makes you feel. Whether you are standing beneath its giant dome or just strolling around the courtyard, there is a sense of calm that settles in. Everything was designed with intention. The curves, the colors, the echoes, all meant to connect the heart to something bigger. Places like these remind us how art, architecture, and spirituality can all come together in one space. We don't need to know every detail about its history to feel the beauty of it. It's part of what makes it timeless. When I paint buildings like this, I'm not just thinking about the stone or tile. I'm thinking about the people, the hands that built it, the eyes that dreamed it up, the quiet footsteps that have passed through its courtyard over the centuries. All those little echoes are still there, in the walls, in the arcs, in the air. It's kind of beautiful to think about how a place can hold on to the memories of so many lives and still welcome new ones. And that's what this sketch is really about. It's not just a painting of a mosque, it's a conversation across time. A way to say, I see you, I appreciate you, to something ancient and sacred and still very much alive. Art helps us do that, whether it's through a brush or a camera or a story. It helps us connect, and that's what I hope you feel when you watch this unfold. A little sense of wonder, a moment of peace, and maybe even a bit of curiosity for the world out there. Thanks so much for being along with me. If you enjoyed this journey, don't forget to like and subscribe. There is always another place to discover. Until next time, keep creating and keep exploring.